And you are probably wondering, what in the world do I need to pack? Well, I had the amazing opportunity of studying abroad, but there are some things that I wish I had known ahead of time.
This was super useful for me. I ended up having a really awesome community while I studied abroad, and we went on several weekend trips and things like that all the time. A lot of countries do not have the same outlets that we do, and they don't have the same voltage, so you definitely need to get outlet converters.
I also recommend bringing a portable charger. While traveling, you might be in certain situations where you do not know when the next chance will be for there to be an outlet. A quick tip, you can actually turn your pillowcase inside out to avoid germs while passing through the airport and while on the airplane. And then when you get to the country you're studying abroad in, you can flip the pillow back to the way it was.
Deodorant and some other toiletries, anything that you're very particular about, oh, I need this specific thing, you should probably just stock up on that and pack it with you.
Google Translate, Citymapper, Currency Converter, WhatsApp. These apps are super helpful for living overseas.
Journaling is something that I did every day while I was studying abroad, and it's very interesting to go back and just read all your experiences and have that as a good reminder.
These families are opening up their home to you, and so a great way to show your appreciation to the hospitality of these families is to pack gifts for your host home family.
You've probably already thought about what you need to bring based on the climate of the country that you'll be going to, but you also want to think about culture. So make sure that you do a little bit of research on what clothing they wear. You definitely don't want to go into a country and wear anything that would possibly be offensive to them.